Hi folks, welcome back to the Carver's Wood Shop. This is Arlene once again. Just want to show you that I got most of the little one done here, the ornament for the tree. And what we're going to be doing right now is I went ahead, we were supposed to cut out this portion here, okay, behind the head and back here on the bottom. I went ahead and did those things and had the feet sticking out just a tad, alright. And what I went ahead and did was I went ahead and started on the wings, and I'm going to show you what I did here. What you want to do is you want to draw two lines going in this direction right here, going in this direction, going backwards, okay. They're going backwards, so there's going to be a little bit of a curvature here, okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out this. And this here you're just going to leave for right now. What you're going to do is you're going to cut this inward. This is going to be like rounded out a little bit. As you see over here, we rounded it in. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut this portion out. So you can use your gouge if you like, or you can use a regular knife. And what you're going to do is just start chopping this portion away. You know. You may have to go in a little deeper, which we will have to do here at the top. We'll have to go in a little deeper here. Just here a little bit, because if you measure it like so, we are not deep enough. We've got to go another maybe 1/8 of an inch or so. That's a good way to measure things, is leaning your finger against it and then measuring with your knife, as you see here, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our stop cuts in here, alright, at the top. Folks, wear your gloves. This is not as well, they're not safe either way, but it's a little more riskier when you do a relief carving. I'm going to take my little sweep tool here and I'm just going to cut out a little piece here, right there. Okay, so and then what we're going to do is we're going to just sweep this out. You can either use a sweeping tool, or you can use a regular knife like I'm doing here. You just kind of hang on to it, and you know, and this is going to take a little bit of time. I may not be able to do it all here online. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to sweep this all the way to this corner. Alright, you're going to take all that out. And then what you're going to do for the back, that's kind of swept in a little bit. You're going to go back here on the back. You're going to just round this off. Actually, we made a line down the center, okay, a deep line, and then we start cutting it inward. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do your stop cut down here. And then you're going to cut it inward, okay, this way. So first do your stop cut, and then you're gonna cut that away. But since the stop cut has already been done, all I need to do is round this other side off, okay, just like so. Alright. So that's the other thing we have to do. See, it's got to go in a little ways further. You can see where the line is a little bit down. So we're going to go down a little further. Alright. And then up here, it's going to curve in. Alright, so once you get this all cut out a little bit, what you're going to do is you're going to sweep this out. Just like so. Up here near the wing up here. Now I'm going against the grain here. I should be going the other way. Yeah, but sweep this out a little bit here. Okay, so you're going to cut this out. See how it's starting to curve a little bit? You're going to cut this stuff out right here. And then, you know, meanwhile you're cutting this out here and rounding this off. Then once you get those two things done, then you're going to round it. Okay, what I did was I put a little center line. Once I get both of these cut out, I put a little center line down the center here, okay, right there. Just the center line. And the same thing with the bottom, because what you want to do is you want to round off everything on both sides. See how I have it rounded on both sides here? I have this rounded off, and you want to round it off to that line. Okay, whoops, I went over a little bit. Alright, yeah, you want it kind of straight like that, that's fine. You know, you don't want it really curved. Alright, so you're just going to round it off. So once you get this cut out, you know, this way cut out. Sorry about my hands, I was doing my inkjet business earlier, yesterday. And then this is going to be pretty well rounded. So once you get this corner cut out, you're just going to round this off, okay? You're just going to round this to that line, alright? And then later on, when you get this cut out and the back cut out, then you're going to round it off on both sides. And then we're just going to leave it like that until we start on the body, okay? So once you get this all done on both of these wings need to be done, we'll be back and I'll show you how to do the head.